This is the low-cost manual awning, and here is my modification. The Viper motor, which was taken from an old car. Here are two magnetic reed sensors for close position. This is the Android application for awning control. It was made with free program App Inventor. It showed that the connection is okay. This is Bluetooth connection to Arduino. And here are buttons. Opening awning to the end, opening half, closing. You can stop awning at any time, and exit program. So let's open the awning to the half. The motor is started. Here is the rotation counting switch. This is because I have two positions. If you have only one position, you can do with another magnetic switch. So let me stop the awning. I also have built the vibration sensor here inside for the wind. If the wind is strong enough, the awning it closes itself. When the first of two magnets approach to the reed, the awning will stop. This is the control box inside my house, the Arduino, the Bluetooth module, relay boards, and two power adapters, 12 volts for awning motor and 7.5 volts for Arduino.